people aspiring to get into data science. One of the key reasons what attracts people towards data science is the high pay. Data science is scary, but also an opportunity, right? At FunctionUp, we will help you get into data science. We'll expose you to the US-based opportunities that people don't have access to. The ideal career path for our graduates would be probably taking up a remote job from a US or a Europe-based company today, and then moving abroad, moving to the US over the next couple of years. It's a very common phenomenon. In deep and high-skilled jobs, companies call these people abroad, call these people to their headquarters. At FunctionUp, how do we do that? We have a very large network of YC companies. We're part of Y Combinator. We have a large network of Y Combinator companies like Airbnb, in fact, ChatGPT itself. At FunctionUp, you won't be learning data science. You won't just be learning data science. We will learn through real data being used in the US companies today. We will be doing some of the projects being built at these companies. Projects like what? Projects like what? We will be building, we'll be analyzing YouTube data of the top trending videos, just like a data scientist at YouTube. You will be building a project like an ML engineer using an OCR at Stripe for identity verification. You will be building models for autonomous car, just like Tesla, using that data. You would be analyzing sales across all of Walmart stores. This is what the cohort looks like. You would be identifying customers based on Apple's data who have not placed an order with Apple. You'll be building demand prediction models like a data scientist at P&G. You'd be learning how data scientists are helping accelerate aircraft production rates at Boeing. We have an industry-vetted curriculum that we have built closely with these companies, very carefully curating our content to meet global needs. We've talked to the data scientists at all of these companies. We have mentors from these companies carefully and have carefully built based on this understanding. Now I could go into how you will get one-on-one mentorship and everything and a dedicated team of placement coordinators and all. But ultimately, our goal and expertise is to get you a DS job, a data science job in the US in as little as 6 months. This will obviously be a remote job, but build a career in data science. Forget about everything else. Build a career in data science simply because data science will endanger every other job out there today. Simply because this is the best thing to do in the world today.